Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the vlogs. It is day 4, the final day of my trip. I'm just packing up. It's about 11 a.m. Gotta check out. I'm gonna go store my bag at the front because I do have a later flight out tonight. Don't have to head back to the airport, I don't think, until like 5:30. So I think for my last day, I'm gonna go hit up Animal Kingdom. Haven't been there yet this trip, and I do want to check out the holiday decorations. The rain stopped from last night, so it is a little better out. Still a little bit cloudy, but the sun is peeking out. It's like a high of 77 degrees today, so it's gonna be a beautiful day. All right, time to finish packing up. Let's go head out. Just made it to Animal Kingdom, and they have the tree up. I was shooting into the sun there, so it might be a little hard to see. All right, let's head in. We have a lot of the Christmas decorations out here at the Riverside Depot, where the pins are located. And the wreath is up there. Looks awesome. Got some lanyard pouches, the new one. Halloween, Maleficent, those are still out. This is a brand new lanyard as well, reversible. I think that's like $15. Up here, Incredibles, pop-up book, Magic of Honor, the new Mickey's Christmas Carol character connection, and new Star Wars. I just had Yak and Yeti for lunch. Got the quick service there. I tried the honey sesame chicken. It was really good. Never had it before. Came with like the white rice. Pretty tasty. And now I'm just chilling up here off this little pathway, just exploring. There's so many little side outlets here at Animal Kingdom, just to explore and relax. Beautiful day. I just got these seasoned fries. They're so tasty. From this place right over here. Here's the tree of life. Looking great. And I'm in this little sitting area here, right next to the fries. Pandora and this robot thing is dressed as Santa Claus. Got some Christmas decorations up here. Nice little tree there in Dino Land. Looking festive. There's another tree right here. Look at this area here. Oh yeah, it's lit. I wish you guys could see without the sunlight. It's pretty bright with those lights. I'm probably gonna get a bus to Saratoga Springs Resort. A little tip here: if you want to get to Disney Springs, the buses start running from the parks at 4 p.m. But if you want to get down there a little bit earlier, just get a bus for Saratoga Springs, get off the last stop, and then you can walk. It's a real short walk to Springs from there. So that's probably what I'm gonna do, because it's about 2:45 right now. Okay, leaving Animal Kingdom. Gonna go on that Saratoga Springs bus now. Head down to Disney Springs. Got that lobster mac and cheese though. Ooh, looks so good. Well, it's time to head back to the airport. Okay, just got through security. Gonna get a little Monroe now. Head to the other side. Well, the trip has come to an end. I'm sitting here at Orlando drinking my cappuccino. I have about a half hour until I board. So yeah, that's about it. At Disney Springs, I just went to Boathouse for dinner. Had amazing lobster mac and cheese. It was so good. And then I went to World of Disney, bought a couple things. And then went to the pin store real quick. Got my luggage. Got my lift. And here we are, back at the airport. So yeah, that's it guys. Little 4-day, 3-night trip for pin trading night. I'll leave links to all of the days below in case you guys missed any, as well as the Little Mermaid collection. I did a video on those pins as well, but released this week. So yeah, that's it. I think I'm going to end out the vlog here, and I'll be back actually in 2 weeks. Thanks for watching, everyone. See ya.